To do is pour the vegetable oil solution inside the water, and then you wait. It usually doesn't take too long, probably around 30 seconds for it to start going, but after it happens, it has a colorful surprise.
So can you explain what's happening right now?
Yeah. So basically right now, because the oil is less dense than the water, is floating on top of the water, and I'll explain in a sec. So
Ooh, look at that.
it might
Right
take,
there.
it'll start going right now.
What's happening?
Fireworks.
The more it stays on, then the more of the colors that'll come down.
Can you come closer? We can see what it's like.
I'm gonna put some white paper on the back so hopefully it's easier to see.
Yeah, that makes it
Oh yeah.
You know what?
I wonder if there's another piece of white paper. Okay, so basically, you might be wondering why the food coloring is taking so long to change the color of the water. This is due to the differences of the liquid's density and their miscibility, which can help create the underwater fireworks. Miscibility is the property of two substances to mix in all proportions, that is to fully dissolve in each other at any concentration. Vegetable oil and water do not mix because water is polar and vegetable oil is nonpolar. Opposite polarities do not mix because their molecules are not attracted to each other. When a nonpolar molecule like vegetable oil meets with a polar molecule like water, nonpolar molecules